children, in our previous class, we have discussed about the Mona Lisa and the Mona Lisa's painting, right? How the robber entered the museum and stolen the painting. Yes. Now, children, you imagine that you are a police officer. You imagine that you are a police officer. You are inside a bank for some work. Okay. At that very moment, 4 robbers entered to rob the bank. There were 4 robbers who entered the bank to rob. Now, share what you would do in that suitcase. Sorry, in that situation. What you people will do. Imagine that you are a police officer. Sai Kirtan, tell me what you will do. Unmute yourself. Sai Kirtan, unmute.
Ma'am, I will call the police force and we all will fight with them.
You are a police officer.
So that I will also fight with them.
Okay. Rohan,
I will fight with them and arrest them.
you will fight with them. But how? How you will fight with them? When they entered suddenly at that moment, yes, they are holding weapons and suddenly you cannot go in front of them and fight with them, no? Yes, Pranav?
Ma'am, I'll take a safe place and I'll take my gun and I'll shoot them.
Okay, you'll hide first in a safe place. You'll search a safe place for yourself, then you'll start shooting at them. Viraj?
Ma'am, I'll fight with them and if they got so many guns, we have also guns, ma'am. I'll shoot with them and I will keep them in a jail.
You are only the officer in the bank. You are only.
I'll take a safe place and I'll shoot.
Dharvin raised hand. Yes, Dharvin Tej, tell me.
I'll call the police and we will catch one robber and we will ask $4.
Your voice is completely breaking, beta. Yes, children, tell me who will share. Next. Sadgun want to share. Yes, Sadgun.
Ma'am, if I am the police officer, I'll take the new weapons and I will shoot them, ma'am.
From where
New
you will
weapons.
get the new weapons in the bank?
Ma'am, if I have, I will shoot them and I will kill. If they take it.
Okay. Any other child want to share? Viraj. Yes, Viraj?
Ma'am means we should write total
Yes.
or not half also here.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other child? Samanyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Vinmay, Aishani.
I would think for a while. I would call my fellow police officers.
Hmm.
I would share the plan.
Okay.
I will try to surround the 4 robbers.
Huh?
I will put one robber with handcuffs
Hmm.
and ask the other 3 to surrender,
Very good.
or else I would shoot them.
Okay, good. Yes, Vinmay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I will think once and I'll teach them a lesson, ma'am.
Okay.
And if they not listen, I will shoot and I'll keep them in jail.
Okay. Good. Next. Aishani. Kritik Raj is also ready. Aishani, yes, tell me. You are a police officer.
Okay, ma'am. If I am a police officer, I will plan for a few minutes and I will call few police officers and I will tell my plan to them and we will go to a safe place and we will shoot the robbers.
Very good. Good planning. Yes, Kritik Raj.
Ma'am, if I am police officer, I will close and I'll make it to close all the bank doors and lock them. And I'll call for help. I mean,
Okay.
police officers.
Okay, you'll call the police officers and
Observer,
eyewitness,
observer,
investigators.
investigators, examiners,
Okay, exhibit.
display,
Very good.
display,
Why only Viraj is giving answer? What about other children? Okay. Description.
explanation,
Okay. Very good, Samanyu. Next one. Prison. Prison.
jail, jail,
Entrance.
approach, approach,
He went upside.
approach,
Okay, approach. Very good.
Approach.
These are the synonyms, okay? Other similar words and meanings are different again. What is the meaning of valuable?
Worth a great deal of money.
Yes, worth a great deal of money. Very good. And what is the meaning of eyewitness?
One who gives a report on what or she has seen.
Yes, one who gives a
who gives
report
a report
on what?
he or she has seen.
Yes. Yes, beta.